Good. Oh, I think I'm coming in way too hot. We'll turn this down. I think I'm in the sweet spot right there. We'll find out later. Anyway, good morning. Thanks for tuning in today. My name's Jason, and I'm going to talk about Opencode. So, Opencode is a tool that allows you to basically have an open source coding agent, but it's inside of your machine. I have Debian installed. If you don't know what Debian is, this probably isn't the discussion or tutorial for you. If you want to install Opencode, go to opencode.ai, and there's a thing here, and it says curl, and curl is like it installs it automatically. So we're just going to click on this to copy it, go over to my window here, paste it, and we're going to press enter. And it is going to install, like right now. It's installing. While it's installing, I'm going to have a cup of coffee. That's very good. I added that little extra feature because I don't know what to do. And they say that dead air is the death of your YouTube channel. So yeah, so we're at 84, 6, 90%. Like, subscribe, join. Thanks. So now we got it and it's installed. Now we could just easily just go here and we could just type in Opencode and it'll open then the terminal for us. And now you can go ahead and be like, how awesome is jasondspooner.github.io. Now as well, see how it says big pickle here? You want to change it to something called Max Mini. So press Control P and then go down to switch model, and then you want, this is the one that I use, and I basically hammer it until they say you can't anymore. So anyway, yeah, let's see here. What do they say about this Jason Spooner guy? Holy crap. Very awesome. A well-organized portfolio for 25. Your IT leader. Huh? You're a fucking goofball. It's very awesome. Thanks, man. He's cool. So yeah, so we had Opencode. It's working. I don't know what else to say. What model are you? One more time. And you can do this like on 4 gigs of RAM or whatever. You don't need anything big. Oh, that's nice. That's great. What model you use and whatever is up to you. But we're here to talk about Opencode install. So after we have Opencode installed, we can go -v. We get a version, and then we also do Opencode -h, and we get all the different commands. And this is the one right here where it says hostname, right? So hostname. So we're going to go Opencode -hostname. But inside of my personal home or whatever, or like wherever I want, sorry, I want it to be available across the whole network, so that's why I put in 0.0.0.0, and it fucking didn't work. Or sorry for cursing, shouldn't have said that. Host. Oh, sorry. Put in 2 dashes, not 1. Ta-da! And, oh, that didn't do it. Why not? What the heck? Why didn't you do it? What am I missing? Oh, what? Why? Oh, I gotta put the web thing. Ha ha, that's what I'm doing now. Sorry. This is like, maybe we might have to re-record this, but we're just one shot in this anyway. So Opencode -web Get out of here. Like, why is there no the Opencode web? What? These guys are jerk offs. Ah, in your face. So here it is here, right? So whatever your IP address is of this thing is here. So now, ta-da! So now on my computer, and as well if you want, like, so here's the port and it shows it right here. So now here I am, I'm in my Opencode computer, and if I go open project, this is really important too, and I didn't know this for a while. You press the tilde, and then you press this, and then you go in your projects folder, and then you go Opencode demo. So now here I am inside of my Opencode demo. If I git install, I can create a Git repository, make me a text file with a riddle in it. So now it'll go ahead and it'll make me a text file with a riddle. If I want, at the same time, I can batch process, so I could start something else. So we'll just go into, I don't know, we're not going anywhere. So here we already see that in Git, in my review section, the file's been added. As well, what I can do is I can come over here and I can actually, I should be able to do a toggle over here. Yeah, and so I can actually see the file instead of actually having to go away and look. And then as well, I could be like, oh, what am I? Give me the answer. I don't know. Yeah, and so an echo. And so I'll say put it in a file. And let's set a new version for the the version control, so then that way you can see a change in the corner. So now if I come over here, we have my attribute, and as well we can see our changes. I don't know. There you go. Opencode. Hopefully that wasn't too crazy.